There are two ways to create templates. We're going to go through the first scenario, which is the easiest scenario. Grab the crop tool and crop around the picture, leaving a thin border around. You could resize the image with the boxes around. When you're done, double click on the image and it will crop. The second step you need to do is create a new document. This is what's going to be printing out of your printer. The document size you need to select is US letter size. This is a default 8.5 by 11. Make sure the resolution is at 300 and then hit the OK button to continue. Next, you need to change the resolution of your image. You need to change the width and the height of your picture to 30 millimeters by 50 millimeters. And then match the resolution of your picture to your template, which is 300. Hit the OK button to continue. Now this is the size of a standard 29 by 50 dog tag. Select the marquee tool and click and drag onto your template. If you need to create more than one dog tag of the same image, simply select and drag again. Repeat the process for as many dog tags as you need. If you selected too many by accident or you don't want to print that many, what you can simply do is delete the layers. The layers are located on the right side of the navigation menu. Simply click on the eyeball next to it and it will remove that layer. Now it's time to print. Select the print button and then the preview will pop up. Select your Epson printer from the drop-down menu. Click on the print button. You will sometimes get an error. That is not a problem. Hit proceed. Now go to the preferences of the selected printer. Change it to best photo for the quality. Change the paper type to glossy. Go to the page setup and make sure you mirror the image. Hit OK to print, and then the print icon one more time. Then your print will come out of your printer mirrored, and that takes care of the first style of making a template. The second one we're going to make a template is using the provided templates for our dog tags from blankdogtag.com. Open up a picture of the client into Adobe Photoshop. Right click on the top blue. Change the resolution to 300. The reason for this is our templates are in 300 resolution. Click on the OK. This will make the image sometimes very large, unworkable, so you need to size it down with the zoom button located on the right hand side. The next thing we need to do is open up the provided templates. You should have received an additional CD with your order which has the color press system templates in it. Select on your CD-ROM drive and select the dog tag template you would like to work on. In this scenario, we're making the standard dog tag. Size it down so it's workable. Now just simply drag your client's picture onto the template. Once you drag it, it will be too large. So we still need to size it down. Grabbing the corners of the box, you could resize it down. Holding down the shift button is a shortcut to keep the picture proportional. Now that the picture is in place, we want to zoom back in. Now we change the opacity of the layer so we could see both our dog tag and our template. So we could see both the picture and our template. Further adjust the picture so we see no black background. We need to do the free transform function. Grabbing the edges, move the template along so you can no longer see the black from the template. When done sizing, hit the enter button. Now we need to cut away the access part of the dog tag we do not need. Select the mask layer and then select the magic tool. Click on the outside border and then select your image layer. Hit the backspace button to delete the access. Repeat the process to get rid of the access from the second layer. Once that is finished, change the opacity back to 100. Select Layers from the top navigation menu and flatten image. This will allow us to move all the layers into one single layer for us to move it onto our main template. Select File, New,